Matte Cover. This is a new foundation. L'Oreal Paris. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look for you guys. This is very peachy, summery, simple and very comfortable makeup look that I have recently discovered myself. I'm on a spree to learn makeup and try different makeup looks, and I just landed working on my skin like this and creating this peachy summery look for you all. But before I do that, you guys know the drill very well by now. Please subscribe to my channel if you guys have not yet already, and do not forget to hit that bell icon because you guys of course do not want to miss out on anything. Before jumping onto the makeup look, I want to also talk about one technique with you guys. It's called 7 skin method. It's nothing but applying your toner 7 times back to back after you cleanse your face. Sounds crazy, I know. It's a Korean beauty technique. I know Korean beauty technique is very elaborate and we don't have so much time and patience to keep indulging on our skin so much, but I just thought that whenever we have time, why not? Maybe you can do it once in a week, maybe twice in a week, or whenever you have time. So for me, for skincare, I always have time. I make time, maybe I'll compromise on something else, but I definitely give like a dedicated amount of time to my skincare because I need to take care of it. There is no other option. What it really does is that it really hydrates your skin. When you are applying toner 7 times back to back on your skin gets increased and healthier amount of hydration. So this is what it really does. And by really hydrating your skin, this method also helps you to really soak up all the other products that you have applied upon it, like the other layers of moisturizer, essence, sunscreen, night cream, whatever. I know it's like a lot to do, but you can definitely try because it just helps. My makeup just looks so hydrated, my skin looks so moisturized, well moisturized. Other than that, this makeup look is very day-to-day makeup look which you can wear to your office, your college. I know we are not going anywhere right now, but maybe we can just learn so that whenever we go out, we know how to do it. So yeah, now without wasting any single moment, let me quickly take you to the video. Okay, so I've done my skin prep already with the 7 steps of toner and the moisturizer, and I'm feeling very hydrated. Can you see the glow? This is only toner and moisturizer, nothing else. This 7 skin method, this I think really works. I mean, it works. Okay, I'll start with the primer first. I'm applying Swiss Beauty Makeup Primer. This is oil-free, long-lasting base. I haven't tried a lot of primers, to be very honest. This is one of the very first few that I have used and I quite like it. It's not that oily or, it does not make your skin greasy. I'll just apply it in the areas where I think, there are open pores, and just so that my makeup lasts longer. Now I'm going to apply the foundation. I'm just going to apply the foundation, no concealer. In fact, I'll apply the foundation as a concealer. I'll show you. Okay, so I'm applying L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24 Hours Matte Cover. It's a new foundation that I got, and I'm in the shade 104 Golden Beige. This one is really nice because it is very, the coverage is really good. So I don't think I'll really need to apply concealer after this. I'm just trying to save on not applying too many things on my skin. So that's why I'll just apply this and we'll see. All over my face to cover all the unevenness on my skin. See, it's very thick and nice. and since it's matte, it is not that it does not look like you have too many things on your face. I'll just add some more on my forehead, and since it's like a everyday makeup wear, I also don't want it to be like fully covered, as in unnatural, like it's too good to be true. I like makeup which looks natural. You can still see the imperfection. It is not like really perfect, but it still looks nice and glowy and gives some dimensions to your features. So I'm just trying to do that. I'll do my eyebrows. Let me comb them first. For a very, very long time, I didn't know how to do my eyebrows. I just used to, I always try to make it like very perfect, I still do. I still try to make it perfect, but for eyebrows, what I've learned is you should not try too hard. You should just follow your natural, line, and just fill in the gaps, and like try and darken the areas where you think the hair is not even or not too dark enough to be seen, obviously not like really dark. I prefer the cake enhancer than the pencil, because I think pencil takes a long time. I don't know, I'm just exploring actually. Like I said, I'm not a professional. I'm just learning like you guys. See, just following my natural line and not trying to make it too hard. Yeah, I think so. I think I did a good job. I think so. Oh, I'm using LA Colors, and this is brow pencil, obviously, and this shade is Espresso. Now what I will do is I will contour my face. Thoda contouring is required, I guess. I'm using my Sugar Contour palette, and this one looks really nice, and the colors are yummy. I love these colors. The highlighter is so good. I'll use my contour brush, and this is really old brush. I see it's broken. I bought it some 3 years back when I didn't even know how to do my makeup, and I got like an entire set of makeup brushes from Pune store, and these brushes are like really good. I really like them. So I'll just quickly do the contouring. For contouring, it's as far as I have understood, it's a very simple technique. You just follow this line, the natural shadow of your face. You just follow that and you do the contouring just there. Don't drag it till here. I used to do that. Horrible. It looks horrible. Don't do that. Just follow the natural line. I really envy those people who can just, do all of this without thinking about it. Like, I'm also going to learn it to do it that way, where I don't have to think about it so much. I'm just contouring my forehead, which is as big as thali. I joke about my face. I say that it's like thali. It's like a plate where you can serve an entire meal, especially my forehead. This part I like to contour because it just covers your double chin and makes your jawline sharper. Look at it. Now what I'll do is I will contour my nose with my eyeshadow brush because I find it easier. And for nose contouring, you just have to follow this line, the natural shade of your nose. I think I'm going to get a bump here. It is a little painful. You are not welcome at all. Please go away. Go away, my friend. You're not going to get the right treatment. Now I will use this brush to merge it properly. Since it's a peachy summery look, I just want to start the base of my eyes with my contouring powder. Now to do my eyes, I'm using this palette. This is Jackie Hill's palette, which she has dedicated it to all her subscribers. Yummy colors, yummy colors. And since I have small eyes, I just want to accentuate the shape of my eyes. That's it. I'm going to use this color. And I'm just going to apply it here. Now I'll take the same brush. I'll use this color. It's a new palette, guys. I got it a few days back. I got it from Amazon. It's very nice for beginners like me. Applying the same color on my lower lids. I'm taking my contour brush to just wipe off the extras. I'm going to use my Puna Store brush, eyeshadow brush, and then I'm going to give my eyes some color here. This color. Nice. This is nice. When you have small eyes like me, not actually my eyes are not small. Actually my eyes are not small. They are just dented inside. I think that's the problem. Or not. It depends on how you see it. Now I'll apply some mascara, and I think I really need to get a new mascara because this is getting over, but this is my go-to mascara. You have seen me applying this since 4 months, and I'm just applying this. I love the Maybelline mascaras. They are just so good, and this Hyper Curl especially, this one is so very good and very affordable. If you are looking for a nice affordable mascara, this is your friend. Some on my lower lid as well. I haven't done that thing of applying the shimmer on the inner corners because I keep cleaning my eyes like that, and I find it too uncomfortable. You know, those shimmers around my inner corners, they make me feel very uncomfortable. Makeup is, I think, something which you like it more as you keep doing it, you know. I was somebody who I wouldn't say I didn't like makeup, but I didn't know how to do it, so I was not really interested in makeup so much. But after I really started doing it, you know, over and over again, I just fell in love with it. So I'm like, I need to try more, I need to do it more, and I'm doing it more. My favorite mascara. I'm that girl who likes mascara, highlighter and lipstick. No, didn't. Now blush time. My makeup tutorials are jinxed. I don't know what is happening. This is the 4th time in the row that I've shot an entire tutorial and lost out on some of the other footage. I again lost out on some footage and I could not recreate it. And I've been discarding the entire footage. So I thought this time I'm not going to do that, because the video has come out so well and the entire vibe is so well. I just want you guys to watch it. So I'm just here to tell you guys that after this I applied the blush, which is the Swiss Beauty Peach blush, and this is a very nicely pigmented blush which you will see on my face. And after that I just applied some highlighter from this palette, this Sugar Contour palette. I applied this highlighter. It is really good, like I said before. And then we move ahead. Now I will use the makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. This is makeup fixer natural aloe vera with vitamin E. I have a lot of Swiss Beauty products, guys. I really like their products also because they are very affordable. They are very good and very affordable. So I'm just going to apply this. Okay, now I'll apply the lipstick. I'm going to line my lips first. I'm using Provoke Semi-Permanent Gel Lip Liner. This is waterproof. This is in the shade Cinnamon and Sugar. So I'll just do this. Contoured my lips. I'm going to apply a very yummy lip color. Can you see? It is so yummy. Yummy. I got it from My Glam. This is their LIT Liquid Matte Lipstick and this is in the shade Booty Call. This is what it looks like, guys. This is so amazing. I love this peach. Just make sure that before applying it, you put a lot of Vaseline or lip balm, anything that suits you. I have put a lot of Vaseline and this is so satisfying. I love this. I really love this. Okay. Okay guys, so this is my makeup look today and oh my god, I'm loving it. I'm glad I shot it. I'm just so happy. I'm ready for my work. I'm ready to conquer the world today. With good makeup, good skincare, you can just conquer the entire world. You get such immense confidence that you can do anything, and I'm just feeling at the top of the world right now, with just a makeup which is making me feel so good. The point is, you guys can also do that, so please take care of your skin. Please do the makeup that makes you feel good. I also didn't know how to do the makeup. I also learned. I'm still learning, so please learn. There are so many people teaching you out there, so just learn and do the things that gives you confidence. I think for me, when I'm looking good, when I'm really looking good, I feel very confident. So taking care of my skin, doing good makeup, wearing good clothes, it just does that to me, just pulls out the best in me. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, for subscribing to my channel, and that one click, that one subscribe button, doing that, you guys really support me. You guys really give me strength. So thank you so much for doing that. And today you guys have an amazing day. You guys conquer the entire world today. Okay, I'm going to see you guys very soon. Lots of love to each one of you.